So I'm at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. I have on my left a company called Miller, which is sort of a private label. They're constructed, I think, in Italy. I mean, sort of judging by the way they look inside. Here we have a semi-integrated camper van called the Louisiana, yes. It's got a bin in the door. It's got a window in the door. Let's come inside. Oh, it seems a bit dark in here to me. So we haven't got a flat floor. We've got a step there. We've got a step there, and we'll come to the back. We've got a German layout here. Mattresses from Crosscamp, which I thought was a Hymer brand, but maybe it isn't any longer. I don't know. We've got storage under the bed on both sides. You also got boilers down there. There you've got a door which will take you into the garage. If I lift the bed up, you'll notice that you can lift this whole thing up, and that reveals this very large wardrobe under there. Very clever. Put it down, comes down quite gently. Here we've got a window at either side. Don't quite know where they've used this arrangement, but there is I think there's a mosquito net in there as well, and there's this as well, so maybe it's really just there for decoration. We've got behind me, we'll find we've got a door which will close like this, slides across. Oh, I'll show you that. So it's quite clever. It goes on the corner like that. And here we have a door there. Washroom there. It's got a dead insect in it, and it also comes with a one drainage point. I think the dead insect is in the options list. We'll have to consult that to find out precisely how much it costs. There's the skylight up there, and there's a toilet down here with a sink. That thing there on the floor, you can actually use that for storage. On my left now, coming up here, you've got a Thetford grill. You've got two burners here from Dometic. You've got actually the kitchen looks quite nice, and you've got this funny thing here, and that plastic bit at the end, this bit here, that will come out, and if you want it to come, it doesn't have to, but that's your drainage is behind that. Window here, storage here. You've got a bed in the roof up here, which will drop down, and it's electric. And I'm not going to be able to show it to you. I think I'm not going to be able to show it to you. Let's have a look. Sorry, I'm not going to be able to. Might be able to. I might. No, I'm not going to be able to show it to you. Sorry. I did try. But anyway, that'll drop down, and it'll make extra space to sleep on. The electric points down there as well. We have here a kitchen, a fridge. So it's a fat fridge here, but it's one of these ones that got this. I think is one of the largest freezers in the fridge freezer business in the motorhome at this price range. That's a complicated sentence, isn't it? So it's got one of the biggest freezers you'll find in a motorhome of this class. Okay, that's a better way of putting it. So what is this price range? I don't think they got it up outside, but I'm going to see if I can find it, and so that in that way I'll be able to tell you what it is. We've got a door here, that closed. Cassette toilet, large garage. Put 150 kilos in here. You've got these straps. Quite clever that is, actually, to hold your outdoor stuff in place. At the back we've got something that looks like that. Good. So we don't. Oh, we do have a price. Ooh, 77,777. I think that's quite a lot, actually, for what it is. Anyway, good. You've seen it now. Thanks for watching.